Simple things in Pixellab. In this series, we are going to learn about a lot of things that you can simply do with your Pixellab without any difficulty. So the first video on this one is how to add a realistic shadow to your flyer. All right, how to add a realistic shadow at the back of your flyer, just like the one you are seeing on the screen right now. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's jump into it. Hey, this is Godswill here from Serene Art, and if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing, because on this channel we learn basically how to use our smartphone to design graphics and how to edit videos with our smartphone. And if you're old over here, thank you so much for coming back, and I hope to see you in my next video as well. So let's go ahead and import the flyer that we've already designed, and we want to add a shadow to it. Okay, so let's go ahead and import it. You can tap on a plus sign icon, then tap on from gallery, then we select the picture that we want to use. Okay, so I'll just go to my Pixellab design and pick one particular design. And if you want to learn how to design this particular poster or flyer, the tutorial is already on the channel. You can go ahead and watch it. Okay, I'll leave the link in the description on how I did this design. The tutorial is already available on the channel. Now, after bringing in the shape or the picture, the flyer, whichever thing you want to add a shadow to, after you've brought it inside your working space like this, just position it, let's say at the middle. Okay, like this. So probably you can go ahead and lock it. All right, once you are done with that, the next job for you to do is probably change the background of your work. That's if you don't like it. So maybe I'll change it to something like red or any other color I want to use. So I'll just use red for this one. Afterwards, I'll be changing them with different colors so that you get to see how this whole thing works. Now, having done that, the next thing for you to do is to import a shape. It can be square or rectangle or whatever, depending on the flyer that you are having. So this is it. Let me change the color of the shape so that you get to see exactly what I'm doing. So I'll put it at black like this. Now, if you are positioning your shape, just make sure that it is not too big, like it's not bigger than your main flyer. Okay, it should be a little bit smaller than the flyer. Now, having positioned the shape like this onto your flyer, making sure that it is a bit smaller than your flyer, go down to stroke, increase it to 40, and come back to blur radius, increase it to 25. That's the maximum. Okay, and after that, tap on a check mark, then come back and send the shadow or the shape to the back of your flyer that you want to actually add a shadow to. After that, go to opacity and reduce the opacity of the flyer. It is as simple as that. Okay, it is as simple as that. So you reduce the opacity till you get a perfect shadow. Okay, depending on what you want. Okay, so let me lock this so that you get to see what is happening here. You can see how realistic this shadow is at the moment. Okay, let me even push it down so that you get to see some variations over here. I'll push it down and send it sideways like this. Okay, I hope you're seeing the variation over here, how the flyer or the birthday flyer is popping up right now. You can change the background color to anything at all that you want. Okay, you can change the background color and you see the variation. Okay, it is very simple. All right, so basically that is it. Once you are done, you can just go ahead and save your work. Okay, save your work as image. So basically that is it, and thank you for watching this tutorial, and I hope to see you in the next one. Please don't forget to give this video a like and also leave a comment in the description if you really enjoyed this particular video and you wish to see more simple things in Pixellab videos on this channel. Bless up.